Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad tostadas. We will begin by gathering our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking experience. This dish is perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner, offering a delightful crunch and creamy texture in every bite. You will be amazed at how effortlessly these flavorful tostadas come together, making them a fantastic addition to your recipe collection. Now, let's craft the star of our dish, the chicken salad. You will need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, shredded finely. Combine this with approximately 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of sour cream for richness. Add in finely diced celery and a small amount of red onion to give it that perfect crunch and a subtle bite. Season with salt and black pepper to taste, ensuring a well-balanced flavor profile. With our chicken salad ready, it is time to assemble these delightful tostadas. Take 6 to 8 crispy tostada shells, which provide the perfect crunchy base. Carefully spread a generous amount of your creamy chicken salad evenly over each shell, reaching almost to the edges. Then, add a vibrant layer of shredded iceberg lettuce and some freshly diced tomatoes for a burst of color and a refreshing taste. To complete your chicken salad tostadas, consider adding some delightful garnishes. Sliced ripe avocado offers a creamy contrast, while a sprinkle of crumbled cottage cheese adds a salty tang. A dash of your favorite hot sauce can also provide a wonderful kick. Serve these beauties immediately to enjoy the ultimate combination of crispy shell and creamy, flavorful chicken salad. They are truly a treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.